Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, to help this channel grow, make sure you hit that subscribe button. With that said, this month I'll show you how to make the triple C, crispy crunchy chickpeas. So, let's go. Here's what you need. You can use any spices you'd like. Also, I'm using the canned pre-cooked chickpeas. Start by draining and patting dry the chickpeas. Then in a bowl, add the chickpeas, the oil, salt, pepper, cumin, paprika and turmeric. Give it a good mix, either by shaking them or using a spoon. Now it's time to bake, or air fry as I do. In the air fryer, 180 degrees Celsius for 28 minutes, in the oven 200 for 35, till crispy. Make sure to spread the chickpeas around. Also, I'm using parchment paper to make it easier to clean and take out. Listen to this crunch. Let me know in the comments below which spices did you use for this delicious healthy snack. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!